To buy crypto using a Capital One credit card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure that your credit card allows cryptocurrency purchases and that you have not exceeded your credit limit. Next, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that accepts credit card payments, such as Coinbase or Binance. Create an account on the exchange by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your account by following the instructions provided by the exchange, which may include uploading identification documents and waiting for approval. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Buy or Trade section of the exchange and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and select your payment method, which in this case is your Capital One credit card. You will be redirected to a secure payment page where you will need to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your credit card details, review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are purchasing, the price, and any fees associated with the transaction. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and wait for the cryptocurrency to be deposited into your exchange account. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency with a credit card can result in high fees and interest rates, so make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your credit card and the exchange before making a purchase. Additionally, cryptocurrency purchases are subject to market volatility, so it is crucial to do your research and set a budget before investing. Finally, consider transferring your cryptocurrency to a secure wallet to protect your investment. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks and fees, you can successfully buy cryptocurrency using your Capital One credit card.